Hello and welcome to uh, a quick introduction to ChatGPT's or OpenAI's new Chromium-based browser, ChatGPT Atlas. Now, I've imported my settings and bookmarks from Chrome, and that's where you see all my bookmarks here already. Right. So to get started, something that I noticed right away, and which I don't really like, is this big button here to upgrade. But I mean, it's a premium place for them to advertise their premium plan. So yeah, we give that, and your address bar and your Omnibox in Chrome's terms is default set to ChatGPT. So you can either you know give enter an address, and it does not block advertisements by default, as you can see. Dia, which was another AI-based browser, Chromium-based browser from the browser company, was different. It was blocking ads by default. So, what do you know about the browser Dia? So, yeah, this is our familiar Chat GPT search. You have your links way at the top, some images, and then a summary, and then you can go into details by clicking different sources, right? And you can switch to search, which becomes a regular search, similar to Google. Oh, they have even given a link right here to go to Google search with it. Yeah, that's fair. You have okay, looks like a bug, right? You let's go again. Yeah, you have an images search here. This is video search, and this is news. Yeah, okay. Is that coming from Google News? I'm not sure. Let me check. Yeah, maybe it is from Google News, but you still have a link here that'll take you to Google search. Let's check what these are. Okay, share, archive, and delete. You can click here to switch the model, GPT model that you're using. And you always have this option here, which opens your chat history, right? And this opens your settings, which is a cleaner way of displaying things. I can change the accent color here. I'll keep it as default for now. Incognito window, settings, passwords, extensions. You can install extensions from the Chrome Web Store. So no surprises there. Ask ChatGPT button is right here, and then it opens a sidebar. So it's always present wherever. Okay, unless you are on the ChatGPT website itself, this button is going to be there. Now let's go back to you have bookmarks and downloads. Settings is something that I want to check out. So yeah, this is a nice look. Join ChatGPT. That's a bit of social network type of view there. It shows how many days you've been using ChatGPT. Oh, okay. And joined Atlas. Yeah, one day. Thank you. I'll come to tab style. I watched a video from ChatGPT about it. It'll explain that these are pretty normal theme, accent, color, language, show full URL in the address bar. Yeah, you've got used to the minimize URL by now. Bookmarks bar or not. I like the bookmarks bar. I use it a lot. Check for updates. Okay. Similar to Chrome. Keep ChatGPT Atlas up to date. Okay, yeah. I want you to update in the background. Multi-factor authentication, which will take me into and tab style. This is classic style. So if you the plus icon here is here, and then as you keep adding more tabs, it'll open on the right side, and then it'll keep reducing the tab size to make room for new ones. You can see it getting smaller and smaller. But if you use scrolling tabs, it handles that behavior a bit different. So let's change it to scrolling tabs. Now the plus icon is here, and if I click plus, it's here, and you can go through all the tabs here, right? So you can scroll through your open tabs here. It does not try to fit all your open tabs into this window area. It gives you enough space, a decent amount of space for you to see what the tab is all about. And it, by far, the most attractive part of this settings for me is the fact that it opens new tabs on the left side. So if that's how you'd like to maintain your tabs. Now, let's go back to web browsing settings. Right. Yeah, okay. You have, this is a much cleaner way of displaying all these settings that you usually see in Chrome. History, addresses, bookmarks, we're used to it. Chrome has a web page kind of UI with settings on the side. Customize ChatGPT. Okay, yeah. So customization is on. You can change personality, your cynic, listener, nerd, or default. Custom instructions, you can add additional details. Web search code, canvas, advanced way. So this is specifically how you want ChatGPT to behave within Atlas. It'll be interesting to know if you make any changes in your ChatGPT account, like for example, the personality part here, would it change across your apps, including Atlas? I think that's how it's going to be, because that's how it's going to be more useful. Now, data controls again is privacy. You can archive all the chats, all you can delete all the chats, and there's an export option as well. Help improve browsing search. It will share data with OpenAI so that they can improve the product. Agent mode. I think I would need a premium ChatGPT account for me to play with this. Now, one more thing that I wanted to show you is if I go to extensions, uh, okay, I have to keep my mouse here, manage extension. You see that it's instead of Chrome, it's Atlas colon / extensions. So you should be able to change this and then go to history. Yep. Uh, and maybe even bookmarks. The only thing that I wanted to really try but did not work is flags. So maybe that's something that they have disabled. And I like this cute icon here. So that's a quick look at Atlas, a browser from OpenAI, which puts, I think the only new idea, I mean, it's not a new, Dia has tried this before. The only thing so far is you get ChatGPT right in the center of your browsing experience. And this is just a first version. So I'm hoping that there'll be a lot more features coming our way. So yeah, I'll keep an eye out for new features and bring more news and new features, new tips for you in coming days. All right. Thank you for watching.